Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove an account on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now, to remove an account on WhatsApp, first open up the WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account on which you want to remove your account from WhatsApp. And that being said, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, tap on that. Tap on the settings option over here just below the start messages, and over here you can see the account option available for us just above the privacy. Tap on that account, and over here you can see the remove account option available for us. Tap on remove account, and the moment you tap on the remove account, this kind of interface will appear. And again, if you tap on the remove button over here, your account will be removed from WhatsApp. And with that being said, guys, this is how to remove account on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.